Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about set and its add method. So, what set is an type of it makes a type of array that will never take same number of time, and the add method does is append a new element with a specified value to the end of the set object. So, let's begin. Const set1 and new, that means it would have a constructor, and set1 dot add, let's take 42, and what we're gonna do is copy set1 dot add 42, and we're gonna type that same again, so you will understand why I'm doing this. And 42 again, and now this time we will do different, and we're gonna paste 13. So what's gonna happen is it shouldn't be there, and we make a for loop now, for off loop, for let item of set say 1, and what we're gonna do, log console out item. So when we do that, it says 42 and 43. That means it never take more than one time a same value. It should be a new value. See how many times. And if you do like set 1 dot add like new value, it will show that. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.